In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set due dates in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add, adjust, and track deadlines so your projects stay on schedule and your team knows what's expected. Start by opening Smartsheet in your browser and signing into your workspace. From your home screen, choose the sheet where you want to manage deadlines. For the clearest layout, make sure you're in Grid View. You can switch views from the toolbar at the top if needed. Grid View makes it easy to see task names alongside date columns. Next, click the row for the task you want to schedule. If the task isn't in your sheet yet, add a new row and enter the key details like the task name and who's responsible. Clear, consistent task names make reporting and filtering much easier later. To set the deadline, click into the due date column on that row. A calendar picker will open. Select the date that the work needs to be finished, then press enter to save it. You can also type a date directly if you prefer, and Smartsheet will recognize common date formats. By the way, if you need a link to Smartsheet, I've placed it right at the top of the description. If you're using the mobile or desktop app, you'll also find a download link there, so you can follow along on any device. If you want to plan when the work begins, click into the Start Date column and choose a start date from the calendar. With both start and due dates in place, your schedule becomes clearer at a glance and ties in nicely with views like Gantt, if you use them. Need to make a change? Click any date cell and pick a new date. Smartsheet autosaves as you go, so there's no separate save button. If you make a mistake, use undo to quickly revert. To stay on top of deadlines, use a status or progress column to indicate how the work is going. Consider simple values like not started, in progress, or complete. For visibility, apply conditional formatting to highlight tasks that are due soon or overdue, such as turning them yellow or red. You can also set automations to remind the assigned person a few days before the due date, or to notify the team when something changes. These alerts keep everyone aligned without manual follow-ups. Finally, collaborate in context. Add comments to share instructions or clarify expectations, and use @mention to tag teammates so they don't miss important updates. Assigned users will automatically receive notifications when due dates are set or changed. Setting due dates in Smartsheet keeps your projects organized, timelines clear, and accountability strong. Thanks for watching.